Yes, this is the video. For that, all other videos we have created. Basically, this video goal is to deliver how you can able to deliver a product to your customers. Process is very simple. Very first, customer place an order on your platform. Second, you will pass this order to our platform. Then we will give you a delivery, and after that you will give a delivery to your customers. This is a 4-step process. Before moving further, I would like to share you one thing. Let me first visit a dedicatedcore.com. Here I will randomly open two products. Let's say USA, Germany, and let me try to open Australia. You can see that in USA EX4 3 core 4 GB we are offering at $17. Here in USA you can able to see that USA EX4 is costing you $17 per month. Whereas if I go to the Germany, I will not find the similar configuration 3 core 4 GB. Here you will have 4 core 8 GB direct configuration at $17. So country changes, price changes, configuration changes. Okay, and one more example, in Australia we are offering 2 core 8 GB 160 GB at $17. So here confusion is in $17 in 3 different countries, 3 different configurations. Why so? Here we are trying to match the local competitions. Here our goal is to not give you unified pricing. If we give you an unified pricing, we have to stick with this pricing. 3 core 4 GB 140 GB and $17. If we give a unified pricing, so that time this same pricing will applied on Germany, same pricing will applied on Australia. So you will miss here, that is configuration and power benefit, because the what we are offering in the USA against that what we are getting a cost is different versus Germany versus Australia. So what's we decided here, in each country we will give what we can do the best. So because of that we are not offering you a same pricing, same configuration in all the countries. So that's how you will get a benefit where we are getting a benefit. So what our goal is to give you a value. To give you a value, we can't able to give a same pricing for all countries. So if we do, you will get a disadvantage. Because of that only, what we can do the best, we are already doing in each particular area. This might be a headache for you for initially setups, but I am pretty much sure in long run you will get a very big business. Here we follow a rule. If our partners get benefit, so let's say if someone purchasing a USA VPS EX4, he is costing at, we are selling you at a $17 example, and you are selling to your customer $21, but he is saying $21 is not feasible for him. So what you do, you say that in same pricing we will give you 4 core 8 GB, but he say that I want more storage, so that time you can go with this plan, or more RAM. So that's how the user will get a benefit. Let me come back to the point. How to deliver a product to your customer. Initially, complete your verification parts. And once your order verification, like payment received or not, user is fraud or not, or whatever things you check while delivering a product, complete that. And after that, just tick mark this and click on accept order. Now, It is time for delivery. User place an order to you. Now you have to place order to our platform. To placing an order, the process is very simple. First, complete your initial verifications like have he paid and other factors that you usually check while delivering a service. First, do not directly accept the order. First, go to the product. Simply scroll down and click on create and click on yes. And you can see that service created successfully. Change the status to pending again. Scroll down and save. Why I did so? Let me explain. When I click on create, that itself means you are placing an order on dedicated core or domain risk. And once order has been successfully created, the order ID will be generated or service ID will be, and it automatically saved here. About this I will explain at the end of this video. Very important. Watch that. Now I will go to domain resellers. Now I will go to dedicated core and let's see. Here active products is still 1. I will click on this and you can see that our order has been successfully placed. It is showing pending. Now listen very carefully. In next 20 to 30 minutes, we will deliver a server. The time of delivery is dependent on how much the volume we have in the backend. After that, we will drop you a mail regarding our delivery of the server. Let me wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Here, one thing I forgot to share. Go to your billing, my invoices. Please clear this invoice because this is the same invoice which is for the particular server. Once you pay the invoice, after that server will get delivered. You can also add a fund to your account, so it will speed up your operation. Done. Payment has been, I already paid it. After payment, 20 minutes I got the delivery. Let me refresh the page. You can see that it is now active. When I go to my mail and I can see that I already received the login details. Let me cross check. Boom. Server successfully logged in. I will close the window and will process further delivery. Let me go to my dashboard. Simply click on update details. You can see that the details has been updated successfully here. In case if password not updated, take the password from here and paste here and click on save. Now it is time for delivery. To deliver, click here, send message and choose the template. About how to create a template, in next video we will guide you. In that, we will help you to create a template like this. Now click on send. Done. Your VPS has been delivered successfully. But wait, here the one concept has to be very clear very carefully. That is dedicated core server ID, which is the most important factor in this all API module. It's request not to do any changes in this. If you do any changes, your system or a VPS might able to not work. Here, dedicated core service ID is extremely important because this is only setting which matters the most. If you do changes in this, it will break your API connection. We have specially created this field. So in some cases, if you unfortunately get some errors, you can able to use this feature and get back to your working API. And the most important why we created this is to sometimes user needs some customizations in the server. So that time predefined plans cannot be the option. So we give you a customized plans. So these can be configured with this option. For that, we will create a separate video. But for now, let me show you how these numbers come. For that, first go to your dedicated core. Click on manage. When we click on the particular service, exact this service, you can see here 5762 means this 5762 is attached with your order number 1 service. So if user is trying to access this service, automatically from backend you are connected with our 5762 service. This is how our API systems works. Hopefully you understand how you can able to deliver a service. In the next video, we will show you how to create an email template.